Hello everyone, welcome to video SOP for A10K VM switch deployment. In this video, you can learn how to broadcast the input on ATEN serial console server. In this example, port 1 is connected to a loopback connector, port 2 is connected to a laptop via USB to serial adapter. COM5 is created after connecting the USB to serial adapter. First, check port 1 preference, select the ports you want to broadcast. Open SN port 1 viewer, also, open a PuTTY from the laptop. At the beginning, broadcast function is off, input from port 1 viewer cannot broadcast to the PuTTY. Turn on broadcast function, the input from port 1 can be seen on the PuTTY. Turn off broadcast function, the input cannot broadcast it to the PuTTY. Thank you for watching A10K VM over IP switch deployment.